Hello everyone and welcome to Auto back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, today in this video I am going to give you guys a detailed walk around of this scooter, which is the Suzuki XS 125. This is a 2020 model. It gets a 124cc BS6 petrol engine as well. This is the top end variant because of which it gets disc brakes, alloy wheels, Bluetooth feature as well. You can basically connect your smartphone via Bluetooth to this particular scooter, and there is an application called Suzuki Connect which you can download in order to turn on navigation on this scooter as well. So that is again a very good feature which Suzuki has offered. Now as you can see, this is how the scooter looks like. This scooter is provided to me from Sneha Motors, Navi Mumbai. If you are interested in buying a Suzuki XS 125, you can basically contact them. Contact details are given in the description box below. At the front, as you can see, the design is simple, subtle and sophisticated. Here at the front, as you can see, the headlight unit is completely covered with a chrome strip, and this is the LED headlamp setup which you get in the XS 125. Below here you also get your Suzuki badge. So this is the Suzuki badge which you get right over here. You obviously have your number plate provision provided right over here, and those are the indicators which you get. By the way, this particular matte color also looks very nice on this particular scooter. Here as you can see, this is the indicator which you get, which is an halogen bulb provided. Below here you obviously have your DRL, which is an LED DRL provided, so that is again a good thing to have at the front. So guys, this is how the scooter looks like from the front. Here you obviously have your number plate provision, and this is how the front look of the XS 125 looks like. It is a simple design from the front. The design which you get is completely conventional, I would say. And coming on to the sides, as you can see, this is how the scooter looks like. There are not much aerodynamic or sharp touches on this particular scooter. Talking about the ground clearance, as you can see, the ground clearance is 160 mm to be precise. The seat height is 773 mm. And talking about the wheelbase of the scooter, the wheelbase is 1265 mm. So those are the dimensions which you get. Now here as you can see, at the front you actually get telescopic front suspension, and here you also do get this reflector provided. So this is how the side profile of the XS 125 looks like. On the side, as you can see, they have provided a small sharp touch and element, and here you also do get this XS 125 badge which is finished in chrome. Here you have a SCP Suzuki Eco Performance sticker as well, and here if you notice on the exhaust they have provided this complete metal cover, so that also looks nice and enhances the side profile. Here this is the foot peg which you get, which is a plastic one, and as you can see it is placed quite aerodynamically over here. So guys, those are the things which you get on the side profile of the XS 125. Now let me show you guys the footboard area. So here as you can see, in terms of legroom, there is decent amount of legroom provided. Knee room is good because it is scooped out over here, so that is a good thing. Now here as you can see, this is the hook provided, and you also do get a hook right over here where you can hang your grocery bags. So those are the practical touches which you get on the XS 125, and this is how the side profile of the scooter actually looks like. Now here you have your grab handle which is finished in glossy black, and it is quite chunky as well. Now let me show you guys the rear profile of the scooter. So as you can see, this is how the rear profile of the XS 125 looks like. Now around the tail light there is some amount of chrome which they have used, which actually looks quite nice, and this is the tail lamp unit which you get on the XS 125. As you can see, the tail lamp is an LED unit right over here, and this is the indicator which you get, which is an halogen bulb. Here you have your reflector and number plate provision. And here if you notice, this is the external fuel filler lid which you get on the XS 125. So that is a good thing that you don't really have to get up of the scooter in order to fill fuel. So those are the things which you get on the XS 125 on the external sides. Now here again you have the XS 125 badge provided on the side. This is the 124cc BS6 petrol engine which you get, which produces around 8.7 PS of power and 10 Newton meters of torque. Now this particular scooter actually gets CBS as well. Now talking about the suspension at the rear, you actually get an adjustable suspension at the rear with swing arm, and this particular scooter actually gets combi braking system. You get drum brakes at the rear and disc at the front. Talking about the tire profile, here as you can see, the tire profile at the rear is 90-110. You get 10 inches alloy wheels at the rear, and at the front you actually get 12 inches alloy wheels. I'll show it to you as well. Now here again you have the foot peg which is a plastic one. So those are the things which you get on the exterior of the XS 125. Let me show you guys the front profile of the tire. So here as you can see, you actually get this disc brake at the front, and at the front you actually get telescopic front suspension. Talking about the tire profile, here as you can see, the tire profile is 90-90-12. Those are 12 inches alloy wheels which you get. So that is the tire profile. Here on the sides you obviously get your reflector as well. So guys, I think I have covered most of the things on the exterior side. Now let me quickly show you guys the instrument cluster, the Bluetooth feature, and basically you can download the Suzuki Connect application from which you can actually turn on the navigation on the scooter as well. Here you have your hook provided where you can hang your grocery bags. This is the key slot obviously, and here you have a mobile holder where you can also keep a small water bottle. Here you also do get a USB point, so you can basically connect your phone and charge it through the USB point provided right over here. So that is again a very useful feature, especially if you are someone who does a lot of long trips. So that is again a very useful feature which you get on the XS125. This is the all digital unit which you get on the XS125. It shows you a lot of information. By the way, it gets Bluetooth connectivity as well. Now before I explain you guys the features, let me quickly show you guys what all buttons do you get. So here this particular button is for your Suzuki Easy Start button. Here you obviously have your key slot which you can actually close completely for additional safety. So that is again a good feature to have. Here this button is obviously for your high beam, low beam and pass light switch. Below here this button is obviously for your indicators, and this button is for your horn, and the horn actually sounds loud and nice, so as you can hear. And this is the all digital unit which you get. It shows you a lot of information like the speedometer, fuel gauge as well in digital. Here you have two buttons provided for select and mode. Here it will also show your time as well. So those are the things which can be seen. It basically gets two trip meters as well. It will show you coolant temperature as well, and here you also get the eco performance indicator. Now here as you can see, you have two buttons provided for select and mode. By pressing the select button, you can toggle through the trip meters. It will show you odometer reading in digital. It will show you trip A, trip B and battery voltage as well. By pressing the mode button, you can actually connect your device, your smartphone, via Bluetooth to this particular screen. Obviously it gets navigation as well. You can basically download the Suzuki Connect application in order to turn on the navigation, turn by turn navigation over here. You can pair your smartphone via Bluetooth. So all those things can be seen. It will also show you your time as well. So all those things can be seen on the instrument cluster of the XS125. So guys, I think I have spoken a lot. Now let me quickly show you guys the under seat storage space which you get on the XS125, the boot space which you get. So here this is the amount of space which you get in the boot of the XS125. In order to be precise, it is 22.3 liters of space which you get. You can easily accommodate a small size helmet over here, and here as you can see, you also do get this first aid kit and tool kit kept right over here. So those are the things which you get on the XS125. So guys, this was a quick walk around of the XS125 from my side. I hope you guys liked the video. Still, if you have any questions, you can definitely ask it to me on Instagram as well as in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer most of your doubts. If you like watching videos in Hindi language, you can basically check out our Hindi YouTube channel. All the links are given in the description box below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, drive safe, ride safe. Bye bye.